and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can fix the problem of face verification in Binance. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So before moving on to the video, please do subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. There might be different reasons why your face verification is lagging on Binance, so let's get more into it. So first of all, one of the reasons why you are getting this kind of problem might be an error in your camera itself. So do check your camera of your device whether it is functioning properly or not, because of which your face verification might have some problem in Binance. Another reason can be the cache of your Binance app, which might be higher. That's why you are getting this kind of problem. So to clear your cache, all you need to do is simply tap on your Binance app and simply tap on the eye icon. Once you go there, you can go in your storage and simply tap on clear cache. So once you tap on clear cache, it will clear all the cache in your Binance app, and this will allow you to refresh your Binance app once again. So by doing this, you can fix the problem of face verification in your Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.